Okay, I'm so sorry that that cut off, it didn't actually cut off, but it was really close. So I had to just end part 1 abruptly. I'm sorry about that. This is part 2 of my blue box from 7 to July 2nd. This came from Ohio. And I'm just going to pick up where I left off because I don't want to forget what I've shown you and what I haven't. Let us continue on this thing. Let's look at some of these beautés. Let's look at this. Now, I see these in gold a lot, but a matte silver, excuse me, no, I have not. And I think that bend looks like it like matches the branch. I don't know. I can't tell if it's purposeful or not, but it doesn't really affect it. But this is super pretty. Super cute, vintage little brooch. This is really nice. It's really nice. This is going to be $4. Yeah. We have another vintage brooch, a vintage bracelet. And this, my friends, is Banana Republic. Yes, ma'am, sir, you person. Awesome. Look at this. Very nice setting. Let me clasp it for you. Very well made. These are, yep, all glass. Rivoli stone. Look at that. Hold on, is there? This looks like a little, like a factory error. It's not missing a stone. It looks like when they were setting the stones or making the settings, they didn't cut that one out. So there's just like the silver part on it. So yeah, unfortunately that is a flaw, which sucks because this is beautiful, very heavy glass, and other than that, very well made. This is really nice. This is still going to be $5 because it would have been $8. So $5. Look at this. Yup, glass. No marks that I see. Oh, come on. Got a lovely fold-over clasp. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's just cute. Let's get the length. Right. Length. This is right at a 7. Very nice. This thing is very, very well made. It is in perfect condition. There are no missing stones. This is freaking beautiful. This is going to be $5.50. It is. I'm sorry. It's got to be $5.50. It's got to be. Gotta be. Let's look at top 10 coolest bracelets ever made. Yeah. This is heavy as duty. It's got a giant lobster claw clasp, so it's nice and secure, but easy to put on and off because it's large. It's got the Banana Republic tag. This is everything, and I'm sorry, this is $20. Okay, I'll do $18, but this is freaking awesome. No, it's $20. No, it's $20. But you still can get a discount on it. If you spend $50 or $100, if you missed part 1, spend $50, you get a 10% discount. Spend $100, you get a 15% discount. That is before shipping. Like if you spend $50 before shipping or $10 before shipping. I will combine shipping for up to 7 days. You can buy stuff from videos all the way back to my first jewelry video, which was only like 6 weeks ago. Tell me the title. Give me the timestamp if you can. Whenever you see something you want, just pause it, and at the bottom, give me the little number. What time the item is shown. I want this item, it's shown at this time in this video, and you can go back as far as you want. And if you want to wait a couple more days to see a couple more videos, that's fine. I will combine for up to 7 days shipping. $3.50 up to 8 ounces, $4.50 up to 16 ounces, which is 1 pound. After that, it's a priority bubble mailer, $8. Medium priority flat rate box, $13.50. Large priority flat rate box, $18.50. And Yes, email me at haliesjewelryandmore@gmail.com. That is HALIES jewelryandmore@gmail.com, one word. I think I got it all. Okay, let us continue with our jewelry on part 2. I guess I will save like the craft and mystery for the end. I don't know. Let's look at some like okay stuff, you know, cute wearable, but not the fanciest. This is mixed metal. It's got a gold and silver tone with a sassy tassel, as Margaret says. It's got a double lobster clasp, so you could just take one off and have an extra lobster clasp for your workings. It's a good 14 inches. Lovely. This, my friends, will be $1. This is really, really nice. The clasp, can't tell if it's supposed to be copper or like a brass, but these are glass or stone. I think they're dyed howlite, but I don't know. But they're cold to the touch. These, the ones in between, I can't tell. I can't tell. So I don't want to say, oh yeah, they're not acrylic if they are. I don't know. This is very heavy though. These are glass or stone, I know for sure. The rest I don't know about. This is very cool. This is very long. It is a good, 18 inches. Very well made. Awesome. $5. This one. Super cute. However, I cannot get the barrel clasp open. So this will be an over the head one, but it's easy to do. This is like 14 inches long. And I love the colors of this wood. This is so cool. Super on trend vintage necklace, $3.50. Yes. Look at this. This is like the mala style, I think. Yeah. These are knotted seeds, I believe. Interesting. Very cool. $5. This has a couple little like scuffy marks on it, but it is a very nice, heavy, well-made enamel bangle. But since it's got some flaws, $1. Let's pause. All right, we're burning daylight here. Let's look at this beauty. This is a beautiful, very sweet, and very well-made Premier Designs necklace with a 4-loop extender on it. So again, it'll fit just about everybody. Usually their stuff is sterling plated. This is a real pearl. Absolutely beautiful. Very classy, classic. Love it. This is going to be, I'll do $5.50 on this. Yeah. I'll do $5.50 if you step to the end. This is just going to be $2. These are super trendy right now, but it's not as an expensive thing. Actually, I'll do $1.50. It's just a little choker, holographic, brand new in the bag. There you go. Okay, these. This one on the bottom does have a little more than just some minor scuffs. There's me. Hi guys. Hi. So this is going to be a craft item. Either you can buy it and refinish it, do some patina, do what you like, or I'll do it. Either way, this is going to be $1 because this is very heavy and well made. If it weren't messed up, it would be more than that. I love these. This is a heavier one. A lot of these are really thin. This is like in the middle between a really nice one and a cheap one. Like, yeah, just in the middle. I love this flower pattern on it. Again, it's adjustable. And this one is going to be $3.50. Let's look at the other pair of earrings. There's 2 more. All right, I just took the rest of that off to save some time. These were actually in a bag. I believe these to be brand new. mixed metal, and absolutely adorable. Again, very well made. The gold tone pieces are totally separate from the silver tone. These are nice, heavier pieces. Not too heavy to pull on your ear, but they're not cheapy cheap. These are awesome. $5. Love these. Now, usually these, the like faux Pandora Brighton style, I usually would take these apart and sell them, like the bracelet by itself and then the beads. But I actually like this one, like, a lot. This is the first one I want to keep as it is. All of the beads on here are in great condition. Super cute. Beautiful, all little heart pieces. Look at those. These are really cute. This is a really nice example of a well put together, you know, little Pandora style bracelet. It's nice. It's beautiful. $4. There you go. This is the last thing I had to fix. I just replaced the clasp because it was tarnished. This is a very nice heavy square box chain from Talbot's. Very nice. This you can wear by itself, layer it, or put a pendant on it, or one of those pendants that like is the magnetic clip on and off. That would be perfect for this. $4.50. And then this is a double strand necklace, super long. Where's the clasp? Right here. It's right about 14 inches. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. This is going to be $5.50. Oh, we are running out of time and battery. This is a lovely, very well made matte gold chain with this super cute pendant on it. The pendant has a little bit of wear, but the chain by itself is honestly worth it. And the pendant, the loop is large enough to take off if you wanted, or swap out with other things. I don't even know if this pendant came on it, but if you want the whole necklace as it is, $3.50. If you just need simple old chain, that's a good 9-incher. Spring ring clasp, just a simple thing, $1. This is the last pair of earrings. Very cute. Gold tone glass beads. These will be $3.50. And this is a nice little, about 7.5-inch square, like, is it a snake chain? A square snake chain? I don't know. Perfect condition. This is like new. This is going to be $3. Let's look at some of the mystery items. And here, the earrings. I will show you both sides of the bag. There are some danglers. Just a couple studs. One hoop. That's really cool. This whole bag will be $2.50. Mystery items. I don't know. There's like a U.S. theme going on here. I don't know. This is compliments of AmeriFirst Bank. And 1886 to 1986. Hospice veterans, red, white, blue, and one gunmetal bracelet. This 1886 to 1986. That's cool. Someone probably made that. This little necklace, Be the Light. That's cute. I'm going to keep that separate. Hold on. All this America stuff and yeah, all this little pile, 50 cents if you like. The 3 buttons, the card, and the bangles. I said 50 cents, right? Yeah, 50 cents. This